Today, I'd like to introduce the working principle of our GSM telephone system. The first is the composition of the telephone system. Multiple GSM telephones, KNTECH 09A, are installed on both sides of the remote highway. The GSM board inside the GSM telephone with the SIM card slot. The control room, it contains the GSM Gateway with 2 or more SIM cards available, and the SIP server, dispatch telephones, and the operator console to manage the pages, and the network switch. All items in the control room connect with the RJ45 network cable. This is the setting page of the GSM Gateway. You can see the 2 SIM card, China Mobile, GSM chunk to our SIP server, chunk management, and GSM chunk. This part should be same with the GSM Gateway, GSM chunk name and type, and the server IP, and the call queue setting. Set up the call queue number and the receivers to receive the emergency calls. Transfer is on, and you can select the mode to ring at the same time or one by one. This is the telephones to answer the calls. And move to the dispatch page. These blue items means the online telephones. Let's make a call. Press the button to in the highway. It will auto call to the preset number. It's dialing. And the first phone is ringing. Also, the status is changing, means ringing, yellow. If the first phone no one answered, it will auto transfer to the second phone. And the third phone, if all the 3 phones no one answer, it will auto rolling dial one by one. If the first phone or any phone reject the telephone call, it will auto transfer to the next phone until I pick up the call. Hello, hello. Gateway supports 2 SIM cards. This phone also calls to the preset number. Ringing. If no one answers, we'll call to another phone. And now I pick up one phone. Hello. Hello. Yeah. The phone is on service. And another heavy telephone also make the call to the control room. It will show the phone is on service, busy, but will auto ring to another phone after 3 times of the report. And yellow means ringing.
Hello.
And talking. All the telephone calls can be recorded by the SIP server. Let's see the 745. Click it, and you can see the time to listen to the recording files. That's all. Thank you.